Synthesis occurs in two steps inside of the chloroplast. The first step in the last reaction, which occurs in the thaloclide disk. Here, energy from the light in the captured and water is played to create ATP and NADPH, which are energy molecules that will be used in the net reaction. The last reaction also creates oxygen as a product of the ATP and NADPH are used in the dark reaction, which takes carbon dioxide and converts into the glucose, and NADPH plus NDP produces can be recharged somewhat like a battery back at the light reaction in the thaloclide disk. Let's look at the light reaction up close. The member of chloroplast disk first proteins in blood, which carries out the flat reaction outside of the thaloclide disk in the stroma, and inside the space lights and turks in photosynthesis, which are glucose of chlorophyll. The capture light exists two electrons, which are then transferred from one molecule to the next by the electron transport chain, which is just since to protein. This process also being some hydrogen ions into the thaloclide space on the enzymes, then split a water molecule releasing oxygen, which diffuses out of the plant. Right now there are only one oxygen atom, but another water molecule is also spin two oxygen atoms. Well, from the hydrogen ions that were produced are left in the thaloclide space light strut again, and electrons are executed and load on the head plus NDHP, and with hydrogen ions to become the main energy currency levels is made using the protein from the water molecules with an enzyme ATP synthesis them to time for the alkyl reaction. Remember, the dark reaction occurs in the stroma and fluid surrounding the fluid disk, but the dark reaction is kind of the consumer and also does happens in the producers of the light. It can be does not needs light to occur. It also referred to as the Kelvin cells or the light dependent reaction. The Kelvin cells is carbon dioxide molecules from the atmosphere along with the permanently ATP and the converted into a molecule or converted into a molecule of glucose, which has a formula of 16H2O6. It takes 6 times of Kelvin cells to create glucose. Then the plant can use it to the glucose or is plant to make the glucose.